Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue that many PC users encounter, desktop rotation. Whether it's accidental or due to a software glitch, a rotated desktop can be frustrating. So let's fix it. Just go to your desktop and right click. Now go to display setting. Now here go to orientation, display orientation. Now just click on landscape and now click on keep changes. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps you can fix desktop rotation on your PC. Thank you.